just to show a sneak peek of a lot of the props and everything that I built for the inside of the Ghostbusters car. All the props that you see were built off of pictures to be as accurate to what was in the original 1984 Ghostbusters movie. All the way down to the interior, the stuff that's on the dash. If you like this, I have plenty more videos of this car, the full build of it, on my YouTube page, which is going to be BlueDatoka80. If you like it, please hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you get alerts on any upcoming videos. And thanks for watching. Kinda like someone telling you what to say.